Hey, good morning. It's Jonathan with One Big Impact. Today we're showing you a quick upgrade or what it looks like to upgrade to Windows 10. Now the main reason I'm doing this is because I've made some videos on how to fix Windows 8, 8.1 and stuff like that. And to be completely honest, between you and I, Windows 8 sucked ass. Like literally, like it was probably the worst operating system I've ever dealt with in my life. I do not know anything about what this Windows 10 is going to look like. I would assume, since so many people are having an issue, that they would be fixing it and getting out all the garbage and everything. But hey, I don't know. So I installed it. Well, I actually postponed it earlier and now it installed itself. It took about an hour to go through the whole process. Now, I don't know if it's done, but we're getting a sneak peek first view here to see what we got. So I'm going to click here on the next button. Get going fast, changes at any time, personalize your speech, typing, inking by sending contacts. Windows apps. Okay, so it looks like we still have the apps, which I'm not super excited about because I'm a little bit of a Windows XP, Windows 7 Home Premium junkie. Meet Cortana. Oh gosh. They put Cortana on here like on the cell phones, the Windows cell phones. Okay, well that could be fun or not. It's kind of like just Google or whatever, the same thing. Or Siri, I guess you would more compare it to for Apple. Except she's way dumber than Siri. She does do some pretty cool stuff, but for the most part, it's nothing. New app for the new Windows. Photos, Microsoft Edge, movies, Groove Music, play and manage your music collection on your PC, phone, Xbox. Want more? Subscribe and okay, pretty much the same deal. Finalizing your settings. Whoa, hey, good morning. Let's see what we get now. Ooh, I like that. I don't remember doing that. Okay. So, hopefully that's going to be my same password. I do like the new look. It's actually kind of fresh, kind of nice. Let's see what we get. Next, we've updated your PC. Now, hopefully that's not just an update. Hopefully it's a new type of system and everything, but I guess we'll see. TikTok, TikTok, sorry about the wait. All your files are exactly where you left them. Which tells me it's probably going to be a lot like what it was. Unless, I guess, just the files and documents and everything are still in the files, documents, downloads, etc. I couldn't really do a screen capturing software program for the simple fact that I was kind of restarting my computer and everything, so I'm just trying to get you guys a sneak peek at this without having to just talk about it. I want you to actually see it, so that you can choose whether or not you want to upgrade yourself. Your files are exactly there. And the screen is pulsing. It's not my camera. It's definitely getting brighter and softer and things like that. So they're exactly where I left them. We've got some new features to get excited about. Yay! What are they? Get moving. Come on. This is a little bit lagging. There's no reason for you to be lagging if you already did all my upgrading and stuff. Clearly that's not the case. So, and we wait. Yeah, I'm really excited about these new features, Windows. Thank you. Thank you for these amazing new features. I'm so excited. These are amazing. You've created a pulsing screen. And you've put white words on it. No, just kidding. Hurry up. Don't turn off your PC. Well, you better hurry the hell up then. So clearly it's just going through some type of loading process. Ugh. I did, however, put it into... I kept postponing it because, with Windows 8, if you got that uploading revert to changes, blah, 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 error, sometimes when it was trying to upload, do the updates or whatever, it took days and days and days, and I actually had to go in and make a video on how to fix that issue. So that's why I kept postponing it. I was kind of freaked out that it was going to happen again. And I didn't really have time because usually when I get on my laptop versus my PC, I end up being pretty close to needing to do something. I don't really have the time to jump on my PC or my laptop just to do updates and stuff like that. We've made some tweaks to Windows to make Windows even better. Tweaks. Interesting. Because that little word I find quite funny, considering I'm in Arizona and that's what everybody's doing. They're tweaking. No, I'm just messing around. Come on. I'm getting kind of impatient now. There's my other PC. I need a bigger screen. I think we'll be ready soon. So, we just wait. I'm waiting with you. I know this is taking some time. I apologize, folks, but I really want you to know exactly what kind of time frame you're looking for a turnaround, because as you know, as I know, Windows 8.1 was extremely slow at updates and stuff like that. And if you have work to do or something like that, I didn't want you to get stuck inside a 3-hour entanglement, or a 5-hour or 10-hour, 5-day entanglement in trying to upgrade to the new software. And it is free. There's no charge apparently, so which is really nice that you don't have to pay for it. And I'm just hoping that they got rid of certain things. I didn't like how you could either do the tile version or the desktop version. Okay, I understand that, but for some reason it kept defaulting to the tile version, and you have to go through a process to get to the desktop. And I know it's not that big a deal, but hey, seconds matter when you're in the internet world, or if you're doing homework. You don't want to be going through all this garble, you know what I mean? So, alright, let's start. Well, same interface, looks like. Or the same thing. Although, it did start out in the desktop version versus the tile version, which I'm kind of comfortable with. And I kind of like that, because I was just actually speaking about that. No new notifications. So these are new. These are new little icons. So I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Got Google down here. Got the store there. You have the apps. So if you click that, that's gonna go. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. So it doesn't push you into a whole page of apps. Apparently, you can kind of just pick from them here. That's nice. I like that versus the other way. Very good. So they are listening apparently to what people are saying, because I wasn't the only one that was kind of frustrated with that whole thing. So we're done. What is the weather like in Alaska? Is it voice? Oh, right here. Okay, so it's linking up to Google. Looks like I'm getting a little flashing thing. And then Cortana. So Cortana is just maybe a sublet of Google. That's what it's saying. This is the first time opening a program, so it's probably going to take a little time, so be patient with me. God, it's so annoying. AVG, postpone. What was that little screen that just popped up on there? Oh, here's a microphone. Set up your mic. Cortana might not hear you. I'll give you a phrase to repeat so I can be hearing you correctly. Peter talks to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly wow. Okay. Not even gonna let me finish. Cortana's got no manners. Hi, how can I help? Okay. So, let's see here. Getting started with what? Is that going to be getting started with Cortana? Let's see what pops up here. If anything's going to pop up, I almost want to just click this again and go for it. I'm just going to do it. I'm an impatient, click happy sucker. Okay, and then the circle's going to pop up again. I would assume that it's going a little bit slow just because it's the first. What is the weather in Antarctica? Must be Edge. That's what they're using. Okay. It started, so we're going to close that. I must be using this Edge. Oh, look at that. My screen capture's still there. Okay, so it's popping up to Bing. First time. Windows and Bing. I don't want to do that. Okay, so the weather, apparently, Antarctica has the lowest naturally occurring temperature ever recorded on the surface of the Earth, negative 89.2 degrees, which is actually negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. At the Vostok station, satellites have recorded even lower temperatures down to 135 degrees 0.8 Fahrenheit. Okay, interesting. Let's see if we can get... I have no clue what that was. That must have been this notification thing over here in the corner. Let's see if File Explorer... Okay, way better. Way better. Okay, recent files. Cool, nice little deal here. So this PC, Creative Cloud, desktop, very nice, very accessible, like Windows 7 or XP or anything like that. So you go File Explorer, kind of like the Start menu, File Explorer, then you hit that, Settings, Power. Okay, way better. Yeah, because before it was over here or something, you had to like scroll this thing and it was like pop up invisible crap or whatever. Hopefully that doesn't do that anymore, because it's like, okay, it's off screen, but how the hell do you activate it? You know what I mean? Like, So let's try this again to see if it loads quicker, because that's important to me. I don't want to use something that I can type faster than what it operates. You know what I mean? And I'm still kind of starting up. A lot of the times you don't want to push your computer, give it a few minutes to start up. And with the laptop, I'm always shutting it down and starting it up. But with my home PC, it's always kind of keeps going. So, what is the weather in Mesa, Arizona?
It's currently 48 and cloudy in Mesa.
Very nice. See, that was much quicker. So, let's see here. One Big Impact YouTube. Microsoft Edge goes to that. Let's see if we can do this. Number one Big Impact YouTube channel. Oh, I definitely can't figure out how to do that. So, let's see. One. Let's see what we get. Okay, so there's my videos. So it's kind of like a, how would you put it? I guess kind of like a search engine or something like that. So that's cool. I mean, that's interesting. That's not... There's a bunch of my videos. I mean, I could have just opened up Google, but it is close all tabs. Yes, close all. Although, let's be honest, it is nice not having to open a web browser, just clicking here. So that does make it a little bit more accessible. I think that's probably what they're shooting for, is to kind of kick off Cortana. I've seen a lot of her software on phones and stuff like that, but never on the PC yet. And it may have been an app that was available, but I just hadn't seen it yet. But obviously it's defaulted to where they want you to use this here. So that's pretty much it. I don't see much else that has changed. I just, you can obviously still get the apps, which is kind of cool, for like games and different things. Calendar, that's kind of nice. I'm going to have to start using that. But from what I can see, it's a hell of a lot more user-friendly than what it was. So if you guys have any questions, I know this is a really long video. I'd say we're about 20 minutes in. If I had to guess, 22 minutes in maybe. That's not bad for a restart. Of course you have to add, the hour and a half. So you're talking about 2 hours turnaround. So if you're not wanting that total time to be taken up, do it in the middle of the night, and then just start the restart. Make sure your computer's plugged in and fully charged, and then in the morning all you'll have to do is go through this restart process, 20 minutes or so. So if you guys have any questions, again, this is Jonathan with One Big Impact, and we're always here to help, so please feel free to ask. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe on our videos, and remember to spread love, not hate. Thank you guys.